It's Wednesday, August 19th, and I'll be moving back to college today. But I'm going to the apartment, guys. I'm currently on the way to drop my sister off at work, and then me and my best friend Jessica, we're gonna go get our toes done, and then we're gonna come back to the house and load up the car and then head to Muncie. So yeah.
Bye.
So guys, this is Jessica. Because I'm tired of saying my friend, I'm just gonna say Jessica from now on. And we're on our way to the nail salon to get these toes done.
Gotta get the nippers
They look
done.
like dinosaur feet.
Dinosaurs.
But yeah.
That's regular.
Guys, we got our toes. Okay, hey guys, so I am now leaving. Car's packed and full. So when I came home from getting my pedicure, I found out that my mom and my brother packed up the car for me. So I didn't really have to do anything other than pack up my car, which was, it was a lot, but it was, I mean, I got it done. And now I'm about to be on the road, and we will be there in about an hour. So I will check back in with you guys if anything happens on the road or whatever, but probably when I get to the apartment. So yeah. We have made it to Muncie, but I'm in this long line. When I tell you long, it's long. Like, you can't even see my apartments. And my apartment's like around the corner next to this, but you can't see it from here. That's how like far away we are. And there's like people even behind. Can you see? People behind me. Like it goes back very far. But yeah, I've been in this line for like 15 minutes and I moved about 2 feet. That's a lot, like 15 feet in 20 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes. And I will definitely like update you guys when I get up there close, and I'll start recording when I get my key and stuff. So I'm gonna listen to some music for now because I can't really do anything else. We have moved and I can actually see my apartments now, so that's good. It should be probably another 20 minutes before I actually get my key and stuff. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys. And this traffic is freaking crazy. Turn this off. This traffic is freaking crazy out here. Like, everybody's moving into Muncie today. So okay guys, so I am literally 3 cars away from getting my keys. I got this little bag or whatever, and yeah, it took freaking forever, like 45 minutes in that line. I just realized, sorry, but I'm about to get my keys and then we will move in. An hour and 15 minutes late. But it's okay, it's whatever. This line is still very long and my roommate is actually still in this line, so that sucks. But I hope it moves fast. They're really nice here. So yeah, I got my keys. So now we're about to, I guess, go in there and see what it looks like and stuff, and then we'll come back and start moving stuff in. Yeah. Here we are, guys. No, Tier's still in line. Okay guys, so I am in my room. I'm waiting because I have to use the bathroom really bad, and then we're gonna start bringing stuff in. But yeah, you guys are sitting in my windowsill of my apartment. It's my brother in the background. Say hey. The lack of excitement. It's the lack of excitement for me. But yeah, my room is nice, you know, got the full-size bed. We have a hallway / closet area. And then we have my bathroom. got everything in. I'm really tired, I'm hot. But we're gonna start, yeah, it's making my wrist hot. I'm gonna start with the bed so I can get all the stuff that's for the bed out of the room. I mean, like off the floor, so. Okay, we're gonna do a little time lapse.
Fight.
I just like finished my bed. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this. I might move around, whatever. But now I'm about to put stuff on the wall, so probably not gonna record because I want it to be a reveal when I do a room tour. So yeah, talking fast so I don't get copyrighted.
Knockout. You win. Fight.
So we're about to go to we're about to go to Walmart to get like a few groceries and then get like some last minute things. So yeah, we'll see you guys at Walmart. In Walmart, you can tell by the horrible lighting. And we got to get a broom and some other cleaning supplies and a little bit of food because I'm really hungry, y'all. Hungry. But yeah, here's the little bit of groceries I got just for like the next couple days, you know. Okay guys, we are done. What the? And now we're about to go back to the apartment and eat because I'm hungry. So hungry. But yeah.
Yeah.
I almost spent $80 and I got everything I needed. So I've been home for like an hour now, but I kind of forgot because I was just doing a lot. I was putting the food up and we made some food because we're really hungry. So yeah. Now we're gonna eat because I have a headache and this is not okay. And we got a lot of stuff to do left. So yeah. Okay guys, here's a very quick overview of my room. I don't want to show too much because we do a room tour. So yeah, this is going to be the end of my vlog. It was fun, it was cool. I'm tired and now I'm going to edit this video. So peace out. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.